Hey there, folks. I'm really not much of a fan of modern art. It's just not my style. But there is one modern day sculptor that I do like quite a bit. I'd probably put him among my favorite artists. His name is Andy Goldsworthy. He is from Britain. He's still alive today. He's kind of a non traditional sculptor in that he is a sculptor of nature. His works involve leaves and rocks, twigs, ice, mud, grass, anything like that that you can find out in nature. And he makes these temporary or ephemeral sculptures right out in nature. He's also been credited with starting the craze of rock balancing. If you want to see what that is, just search that on Google and you'll see what rock balancing is. It will probably also lead you to some of the works of Andy Goldsworthy. The interesting thing about his works are is that they are temporary. They're ephemeral. They're eventually going to fall over or blow away or rot and decay away. And that's why his photography skills are just as important as his sculpting skills. He takes pictures of the things that he sculpts. And here in a second, I'm going to be sharing some of his pictures of his works with you. I really enjoy his work because it shows the intersection of nature and art. And to me, nature reflects God, so it's not easy for me, it's not hard for me to look at his works and be drawn into God's presence. And also, as I've said before, the creativity that such artists shows, I think, reflects the creativity that's inherent in God and that we have in measure as being created in the image of God. So Andy's Goldworthy's works just helps me focus my spirit on God, and I hope it does the same for you too. Enjoy.